Ball's rolling. It's running. And that's how we do it.
No, it's fine. That's fine. You can leave right there. Leave it there. Okay, sir. It's good.
Nailed it.
Thank you, Bobby. See you tomorrow.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
You too.
Yeah, you're welcome. Did you get your water bottle and your keys?
I was like, is he okay or did he break down?
Yeah, I'm like, is it longer or did you take the short route?
I think he's just feeling her out.
Scourging? What's fine. Just driving slow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Woo!
Woohoo!
All right, this one. Does the rear door not turn on the light?
No. This is the 88, the Super 88.
Oh, good God.
Put it in the, just put it in the
Ignore
group thing
this.
then.
Do you need your old fuel pump for a core?
Yeah, well, I'll take all the
All the old stuff.
All right, we got it. Okay, let's open the hood and check for leaks.
Yeah, let's check.
And then I'm gonna... Yeah, Allie, just put them in there.
I will. I wonder if I can change that. When we do a shared album, can we change that somehow?
Quality? I think we can because I have a shared album for football with Danielle and Carson, and it stays in my quality.
How are we doing?
Need a little light.
Yeah. Light's right here. Let's shed some light on this situation. Grant, can you? Grant?
Flashlight's gonna be better.
Oh.
He needs to
Okay.
get in there.
We're dry, everybody.
Oh.
Good job, Grant. Did you get that video?
Team iPhone.
Do you see it?
Oh, God damn it. It's way the fuck underneath.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Team fuel pump does it right.
All right.